Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature from long to short haircut transformations. Now these will mostly feature bob haircuts, so if you are feeling inspired to kind of shake things up and get a bob, you'll definitely love this video. First up, this gorgeous angled bob. Absolutely breathtaking transformation. She went from pretty long hair to this gorgeous thick angled bob. So then we see someone with mid-length hair. And she ended up getting more of a neck length style bob. Definitely more of a classic. Then we see someone with mid-length hair getting a bob haircut. Oh. So she also got an angled bob. So what's great about this video is it is showing you some of the different bob haircut options that you can try if you are looking to get a bob haircut, and also the different hair types and textures. I think that the bob can work on numerous different hair types, textures, as well as volume. So whether you have thinner hair or you have thicker hair, you can still rock a bob. I get that question a lot in the comments. If you have thinner hair, will you still be able to get a bob? And the absolute answer is yes. You just need to find a stylist that knows what they are doing, who can help your hair to appear thicker. So here we have a beautiful bob. Love the pop of blonde color that she has at the bottom, center part down the middle. Gorgeous. So this person also has pretty long waist length hair, and she ended up getting more of a longer bob. This one comes past her shoulders and an angle. And then we have a classic blunt bob for the next one. The stylist did create some texture with some curls, but you can leave it straight too if you want. Another beautiful jaw length style bob. Curls were added to add some texture as well, giving her more of that tousled appearance. Alright you guys, so I hope that you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.